So the question is, what is the cost of pursuing a product liability case in Idaho? The answer is it can vary dramatically. We have handled cases where the cost, and when I refer to cost, I should define costs, because certainly you'll have attorney's fees that are involved with pursuing the case, and the attorney's fees in product liability cases are most typically handled on a contingent fee basis. That means that you pay the lawyer a percentage of the recovery at the end of the case. The payment to the lawyer is not based on the time the lawyer spends, it's based on the outcome of the case. And if there's no recovery, there's no obligation to pay the attorney. That's one form of cost that would be involved in the product liability claim. A second, and an equally important type of cost, is the cost of hiring experts to help you prove your case. And those costs can be significant, and it really depends on the case. And a qualified lawyer would have a good discussion with you about the potential costs involved in your particular case to help you understand what those costs might include, whether those costs can be prohibitive as far as the feasibility of pursuing the case, whose responsibility it is to pay those costs. So if you are looking into a product liability case, you certainly want to have a clear understanding of the attorney fee arrangement with the lawyer who will be representing you, but just as importantly, you want to have a clear understanding of the costs that will be involved, whether it be for paying for experts or other costs that are typically involved. And a good lawyer will be able to explain those to you, answer your questions related to those costs, and help you understand whether the case that you're investigating is feasible from a cost standpoint or not. If you have questions about product liability cases and the costs that are involved, I would be happy to visit with you and call the Hepworth Holzer law firm, and we'll do our best to help you as you're evaluating that case.